there seems to be a certain issue on Samsung Galaxy S26 with the Google Play Protect, and to be precise, it seems that the phone has some sort of like an issue with this device not being certified by Play Protect, by Google Play Protect to be exact, and apparently I'm not the only one. There have been some topics created on the internet and people complain that they cannot really get rid of it. And for me, it also happened, as you can see over here on this phone on Galaxy S26. I do have this problem. On the S26 Ultra, I did not experience this issue, at least not yet. It didn't happen so far. And hopefully, of course, Samsung can release a software. Apparently, they are working on the software update to roll out pretty quickly in order to fix this issue. And I guess the only thing that you can try to do to get rid of this problem for now is by simply muting these notifications. So you want to press and hold your finger and then turn off notifications from this app. Of course, later on you should still re-enable them once this issue is resolved, but of course if you are annoyed by that, then you can just turn it off temporarily. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.